Would you like to learn about supercloud architectures? If so, this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss what is a supercloud architecture, then we will discuss why supercloud architectures matter, especially with the trend of 98% of enterprises using a multi-cloud environment. So to begin, what is supercloud? Supercloud, realistically speaking, is an emerging cloud architecture scenario that enables unified applications and infrastructures across cloud providers and data centers. So if we really think about it at its core, supercloud really sits above the common clouds. It'll provide a common control plane and a common data plane where your applications can be run across clouds in a manner that's somewhat abstracted from the individual cloud providers themselves. By creating this super cloud environment where you configure the super cloud, and then, for example, the things are deployed on, say, AWS, Azure, Google, Oracle, and your data center, you're now in an environment where you don't care which cloud you're using, you're creating a strategy that's going to really work for the organization. And therefore, super cloud will enable a very consistent policy, some security, some governance, and orchestration across cloud providers. So this is really about creating a cloud agnostic environment and still leveraging the power of multiple clouds. So supercloud is not really a single vendor offering. It's really a design approach or a new architectural approach that enables you to be, from here at the control plane level, putting systems on various clouds. So this it creates an environment for the future. So why supercloud really matters? Well, strategically, it enables organizations to leverage everything. So they have no single points of failure. They can use the highest performing technology at the lowest cost where it's optimized and should sit. And it enables easy for organizations not to have to think about 10 different command lines, for example. So supercloud is really needed. It'll build the integrations across the cloud. It standardizes management across disparate cloud providers. So configure one thing and it sets up all your technology and all your cloud. And by doing so, it's going to accelerate innovation because developers can build once and they can push it anywhere fairly easy. Architects can design a strategy for the cloud environment that's going to abstract all that individual stuff so you know what you're putting and it's going to be deployed on the cloud regardless of which cloud it is. And that enables much faster go-to-market experiences for new applications, for example, or new business services. It enables lots of experimentation across cloud providers, across regions in a simple and elegant manner. Now, supercloud really enables business continuity planning and resilience because if a single cloud provider fails, who cares? Your technology is distributed across multiple clouds. You've got higher availability and much greater fault tolerance. And because it's very hard to actually think about how you would adjust policy in one cloud versus another cloud, by abstracting it and configuring something one layer up that can configure everything across clouds, you've simplified governance, you've simplified some of your identity and access management policies, you've simplified so much. And in this manner, you can also optimize cost and performance because workloads can be placed where they're cheapest. For example, a high throughput workload like a GPU compute environment or a high CPU compute environment may be much cheaper on the data center, potentially 10 times cheaper than the public cloud. Likewise, a sporadic workload or an agile workload can benefit from the agility of the cloud. So this really gives you the ability to align the architecture and the business with business agility. And superclouds really enable teams to architect solutions for the best outcomes across any cloud, anywhere, anytime. So from my perspective, I see supercloud as an evolutionary step beyond traditional hybrid cloud and traditional multi-cloud environments, and it does it in a simple and elegant manner. Now, if you'd like to become a cloud architect, enterprise architect, security architect, AI architect, we have programs for all of these careers. We also have a completely free architecture webinar that we run at least once per week, where we talk about what the various architecture roles, what we do, the skills you need for those roles, and how to stand out and get hired when you lack experience. You can join us for any of the free How to Become an Architect webinars. They're in the description of this video. Sign up. The webinars are free, and I'll answer any career questions you may have on these free webinars. And they're in the description of this video. While you're signing up for one of the free webinars, we have free guides to help you with so many things in your technology career. Guides on how to win, say, the cloud architect interview are in there, or any technology interview. Guides on how to become, say, an AI architect versus a cloud architect. All free guides in the description of this video. So sign up for some and they'll be emailed to you. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos to assist you with your cloud architect, security architect, AI architect, or enterprise architect career. This is Mike Gibbs signing off for now, and I hope to see you in a free webinar or another video very soon. Take care.